Welcome to Adnan Latif Animations. Today I will show you how to create a 3D model from an image generate 3D model. This AI called Trellis. You need to be go to the GitHub and then go to the Trellis website. This is the you can see this is the hugging face structure. This is the website. You can find the link in the description and then go to this website. So let's process to do the 3D model generation. So this is the website. You can drop image here. You need to be drop or click to upload. I'm going to click to upload, then go to the image directory. So I have selected image. So you can see this is the images uploaded. Now we need to some settings. Adjust these parameters. I am going to guidance, strength and sampling steps. So hope you like my videos. Please subscribe to Adnan Latif Animations. So I am going to guidance and strength and then click on generate. So this is the texture size and you can adjust texture size your own requirements. When you click on generate, the generated 3D asset is coming down to the right side. So this is now generation process started. You can see this is the right side of processing. You can see this is the model generation now completed, but one more step you need to be perform the next. So what is the next step? You can see this is the model generated mp4 for preview. Now you can click on extract glb. So now glb extracting. When glb extracted, you can download your 3D model. So the button of download glb will be highlighted after extraction confirmed. So you can click on download glb. So after downloaded glb, the downloading process is started. Then we will go to the blender and import into blender. Now we will drag and drop to glb file which is downloaded to a blender. So this is, you can see this is the model which I have created from Trellis. You can see this is the, when I select the textured model, this is the almost seen the image I have loaded. So this is a good nice topology, and for gaming purposes you can use this very efficient way. Hope you like my videos. Please subscribe to Adnan Latif Animations and share the videos.